Hello viewers, welcome back. Uh, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at some other new things. It's all about uh, information literacy, and we shall be using slide for easy understanding. So let us follow it carefully. Uh, so this is the slide. Uh, Actually, this is the first slide. Project name is information literacy, and this is a coursework. The name is Dolly Dennis. So today we'll be looking at what we call information literacy, which is a question itself, and we shall be gaining basic knowledge. This will help us uh, to get the information from the SSS. And first of all, what we need to know and what we need to have in mind. Uh, First thing is the definition of information literacy. After that one, we are going to learn about the sources of information. Uh, Actually, where we can get information is what we call the sources. Uh, so this is the question: what is information literacy? And this serves as introduction to this coursework. So we need to know um, the real meaning of information literacy. Actually, previously we described information as being the processed data, and literacy is simply having the knowledge to know or to have that knowledge about information and how to get the information from the sources. And from here, we have some brief description of what we call information literacy. From here, we see that information forms the basic for lifelong learning, and it is applied to all level of educations and all disciplines. Uh, and this serve as uh, and this serve as the way where the student can investigate and they can be self-directed to get the source of information and any related articles in their level of learning. So so it is applied to all learning environment, all level of education, starting from primary up to secondary. So this is basically very important to direct the learners to get the information when they need it. So that's a brief description of what information literacy is. Um, the second one, after knowing how or after knowing the definition of information literacy, next thing is to know after acquiring the knowledge and what will the passion who I myself and who you will be able to 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 do after getting the acquired skill. So an information literacy person will be able to do basically four things. And one is you'll be able to access the needed information using different test strategies that will be available to get the information you need. Two, you'll be able to determine the extent and the information needed. Determine the extent of the information needed, like Like when you need an information, first understand it and use the available strategies to get that or to get the exact information. So therefore, we save time and get the information. And third one is evaluate it. You'll be able to evaluate information and determine the needed information critically before with easy access. So that's what we go evaluating. And the next one is uh, use the information effectively. Now, after you have known about the true meaning of information, you will be able to use those information where you are going to get them, right from that sources, or can be articles. You will use them in the different ways, like doing your researches or doing your personal documentation. Therefore, you will use them appropriately without any other mistakes. So that's all about what information literacy is. Uh, Now, after knowing that one, we'll take us to slide 4, which will be how will I use the skills acquired. Previous one was how will that person that acquired will be able to do. But now we want to know how will you use the skill that you have acquired. Basically, I have six point this concerned this heading. The first one is will be able to identify the information needed, able to identify the information needed and determine its extent. To identify the information, this means you look where the information is and the right information and determine what the information needs, what the extent, determine its extent, where it ends, so you can do your research properly. The second one is locate and retrieve. Locating and retrieving. Here, whereby you use the different strategy, like to look for the information on its sources. Locating mean by looking where it is found and analyzing and using it appropriately from wherever they are. Then third one, evaluating the information and the source critically. Evaluating, you understand it properly, um, and all the sources critical. Then the fourth one is you'll be able to synthesize the information retrieved so that so that it is made understandable. Then the fifth one, you'll be able to present the knowledge you have acquired to people for use. Because after you have after you have struggled to get the source of information, you make it able you'll be able to know the information and you will present it, make it available to people to use those information. You have researched. Then the sixth one is translating the new concept, the new project and disciplines. Like example, the the research you are doing, what people are doing, you will be relating, translating them to a new project and to all academic discipline without any other difficulties. So that's all about how will I use the information. Okay. In our next videos, we are going to learn about information sources and uh, information sources and how to know the different example of the sources of information. So thank you. Keep on following.